people you are seeing here are members of Agriba 8085. Those of us who entered German school in 1980 and graduated in 1985. Even though some of us entered 81, some entered 82, there's anybody that has passed through the gap. You know, they came from other institutions to join us. The majority of us entered in 1980. So, anybody that passed through the school between 80 and graduated in 85 is eligible to the membership of our set. So, we formed the club a little above 10 years ago, and we were meeting monthly on monthly basis before. Later, we changed it to bi-monthly. We still had a general meeting of the club yesterday, which was around. He was attending for the very first time, and close to 40 of us were at that meeting yesterday. People came from far and near just to have the spirit of Antobership. Our own principal was the late F. Blessed memory, and apart from the motto of the school, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom, he always emphasizes on us that our character, we should always take it as being better than our fruits. Those are some of the legacies he left for us. And he always emphasized that we must, whenever we have gone to the world, no matter, we must find means of coming back to give back to our alma mater. And that's what our sets we have been doing for quite some time, since over 10 years that we formed the club. So there was a time during the centenary celebration, we donated the website for the school. If you check the program for the centenary program, you see our name written in gold there. Unfortunately, due to other factors, the website is no longer functional, and I'm glad that the parents and Zuba have taken it up to now have a very functional website under the management of the parents and Zuba. So then sorry for that. So like I was saying, that we have been trying to see how we could also contribute our little quota to the school. And maybe before I go further, I want to introduce members of our team here. By the special grace of God, I'm the current president of the club. And sitting beside you,
You didn't say your name.
Also be doing this to take care.
I'm Agzoba Shijobi. Presently, a lecturer at Moshood Abiola Polytechnic. Abeokuta, being converted to Muslim Polytechnic, Okia. So, we are Agzoba Umi Oyeneye, formerly Ani Badmos. This is Agzoba Liwande George. This is our treasurer, Agzoba Kayode Afeni Sume.
The teacher.
Okay.
The principal knows me.
Okay. Agzoba Funmilayo Ayodeji ni Masaku. Agzoba Bukola da Silva. Agzoba Falakemi Taiwo, married to another Taiwo, so she didn't have to change her surname.
OC welfare.
Social welfare.
She's our social welfare. Agzoba Adeliji. Agzoba Peju Akisomi. I will not introduce this man. When it comes to him to speak, he will introduce himself formally. Because I want him to introduce himself to his own state. So that he will introduce himself properly. We have Engineer Dare Folawa and the Amibu wife. They are here in support of our good friends. So that's members of the team here. So this we are here specifically for a donation. This, if I'm not mistaken, this is the 4th time we'll be coming for such. You will elaborate further on that. He has specifically targeted educational e-learning for the school. So there was a time we came around, the first batch was a projector and a laptop. So later, the second tranche, we donated laptops, laptops, and okay. Then later, when the former principal informed us that they were having challenges, that they needed a projector screen, so another member took it up, and we came around to donate that. So when he now informed that he will be in Nigeria about this time, and he's bringing some items also, that was when I came around to inform you that he will be around and will be coming today. And here we are today for such. So he is still going to elaborate on that. I don't know whether you want to formally welcome us first and introduce members of the team here before he now elaborate on his mission and vision here. Thank you, sir.
Actually, he was here last week to inform me and book an appointment at your set club coming around today. I think what's happened is that we didn't strike any deal as regards the time. Because I have to give you the reason why I was not on ground at time today. The school where I worked last before I was posted there, we were putting a new ground school. We are planning a send off for me. It was yesterday that they informed me that there will be novelty match. So it was when I got to the school this morning that I had to inform my people. I quickly go down to my team.